Hey, I'm Danny Agosta with Steel Rubber Products. Whenever you're doing a restoration and you're looking at your weather stripping, chances are you're going to have to replace your door weather stripping. It's one of the parts that gets the most abuse, and unless you're getting in your car NASCAR style, it gets slammed every time you get into the door. So we're going to show you how to install these. It's basically the same on all hardtops and convertibles. So we're going to get to it and show you how to do it right. So it's time for us to replace the door weather stripping on this 72 LeMans. This is the stuff that came off of it. You know that this is not going back on the car. Some of the stuff is literally hanging on by a thread. So we're going to get rid of this and we're going to put on some new door weather stripping. This goes on with the clips. It just pushes in, real easy to install, and we're going to show you how. So we just follow the pins on this one. The pins line up with the holes that are pre-existing and just press right in place. Some of these are a bit stubborn to get in. You just want to find something a little hard, but at the same time not sharp, to help press the pins into place. There's a little T-head on the pin inside the rubber, and you can press on that. So we've got our weather stripping installed. We're going to do our door bumpers, and then that'll be it for the door. There's two locations where these go, one on the top and one on the bottom. And if you have trouble getting them in, there's two little holes right here that you can use a rod to finish seating the carrot. Now that we've got our weather stripping and our bumpers on, we're all done in the door area. The only thing that we're going to do afterwards is put on some of these belt line pieces. We're going to show you how to do that in a different video. So for now, we're all done.